Wow.
Oh, that's what I want to do. What are those?
What the heck? I'm missing them. Is that how far back they were? And we just didn't realize it because we were right behind it. Scoot them over. This makes me nervous. Oh, we don't have the musical effects up here. Seriously.
They're awesome. Come here, Kennedy. There was some over there.
What? Oh, I can't see you in the dark.
Oh, Tinkerbell's ziplining right now.
Is she really?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it! You can see that little tiny moving light.
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool.
I couldn't. Tinkerbell! Where? Right there. She's the one who's making that circle.
I'm gonna cry again.
Stephanie's pulling a Stephanie.
Pulling a Stephanie. Seriously, couldn't ask for like a better view.
I know.
I love it when it does that.
You'll be, the back will be totally empty, no crumbs. I like the one that drips down. Yeah, I like it too.
That's the Disney Day ever.
I love it when it does that.
Don't go past this one right here. You can't go past this right here. It's the greatest day ever.
It's the greatest day ever. Here we go.
Is she okay?
Daddy, help me. Watch out here. Come over here.
My fave. Oh, they can't. Did you hear that? Greatest day at Disney World. Oh, wow. Wow. Those are pretty.
It did a heart.
Oh, yeah.
It did it sideways.
Sideways. You see the castle sparkling. Is it the finale yet?
You know which
Ooh, I gotta charge my video camera tonight. I can't forget.
Yeah, because I would like a copy of it. Wow, that was loud. Are these the Portsmouth fireworks?
Almost.
They're almost. They're not as good.
Yeah, I don't know which one I like. Looking at Cinderella's castle background with the bridge. I don't know.
Or the bridge?
Yeah.
The Portsmouth Bridge, yeah. I don't know, it's a close talk.
It makes the stars.
Made stars? Is the castle light? Wow. That's the castle. They're going off the castle. Pretty.
Those are pretty.
Girls, back, back, back. You can hear the music like louder.
It did over.
Smiley face! They seem spaced out because we're not listening to the music. I know they're timed up to the music. What are those? Smiley faces. Smiley face. Look at those.
Wash your hands. Got 30 fingers.
That would look like satin.
Gosh, I love that when it shoots up behind the castle like that. Olivia and... Hey. Wow. Is it pretty, Olivia? Look.
You guys find any or not? Go from side to side.
Look at those spin wheels that's on the castle. They didn't do that last night, did they?
No. This is a different fireworks display from last night. It's called Holiday Wishes. You think that's it? Yep. Oh, look at it. Glistening. I bet it's going to light up again.
Really?
Layla, back up.
Alright, Mom. That's it.
That's so cool how they make it do that. More crap.
That's the sport. Hold on. Wow.
Wow.
because
Whoa. Wow, that shook the building.
I
Yeah.
just broke a nail. Oh, star! Alright.
Oh, look, they're everywhere. Wow. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
It looks like they're shooting.
Holy cow. Are you kidding me?
Wow. We need to watch the fireworks from our room every night.
I think that might have been the finale. Girls, was that awesome?
Yeah!